Hey, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. I'm standing in front of the basic wash kit. So the basic wash kit includes the basic elements you need to safely and effectively wash your car without swirling and damaging it. So it's going to have a nice 2 dollies on top of 2 buckets, a green bucket, a red bucket. The green bucket's going to have the soap water mixture in it. The green bucket's going to have a grit guard in. That's going to get the grit, the grime at the bottom so we're not swirling the car up. The red bucket is clean water and grit guard with the washboard. The washboard's going to go against the nice, we have two nice microfiber wash mitts in here, nice big for the body. The reason we have 2, pro tip of the day, if you drop a wash mitt, you drop a towel, set it off to the side, never drop a towel, never touch the car after it's been on the ground. Never use a wash mitt, a towel to touch the car after it's been on the ground. That's how you're going to scratch and swirl up your car, I guarantee it. We're also going to have a nice cuffed wash mitt here. Rocker panels, door jambs, we're going to use the cuff mitt in these areas. That's where the most grit, the grime is, and that's what scratches and swirls the car up. So we do that at the very end. We'll use Gyeon Bathe here. That's going to be our wash soap. Fantastic soap, perfect for ceramic coated cars. And we're going to include a measuring cup. So just measure the soap out. Just use a little bit of soap to the directions. You can have the great results. And finally, you're going to need to dry the car. A nice, safe microfiber towels, these nice big Gyeon towels. You're going to use these. That's what you can use to dry the car without swirling, without scratching it up. We're going to show you precisely and specifically how to use all the tools, all the chemicals, so you can have the cleanest looking car in the neighborhood, the cleanest looking car at the shop, the cleanest looking car at your work. If you got any questions, check us out at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com and have fun.